Large ADA transactions are on the rise, suggesting that hashtag Cardano network activity is heating up as institutional players and whales make their move. This is a bullish sign supporting the hashtag ADA uptrend, a crypto analyst, Ali, recently confirmed. And now there are more reasons to believe him. Cardano, the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has arrived on the BTC Markets. BTC Markets is one of Australia's largest crypto exchange platforms, with more than 325,000 active traders, and it made this announcement known in a new tweet. Cardano ADA has arrived. Clients can now deposit, withdraw, and place post-only orders in the order book ahead of the market going fully live around 12 p.m. tomorrow. Place your post-only Cardano ADA orders today. As stated in the tweet, users can now deposit, withdraw, and place post-only orders in the order book ahead of trading. On April 6, BTC Markets first made its known intention to support ADA trading on its platform, much to the thrill of Cardano fans. Notably, BTC Markets supports cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Algorand, and others. Now, Cardano has made its way to the list of major cryptocurrencies supported by the platform. Last year, ADA saw its listing on the Robinhood platform alongside other crypto exchange listings. This move has been anticipated by the cryptocurrency community for some time now, and many were excited to see ADA available on the exchange. However, some users had questions about why it took so long for BTC Markets to list ADA, and a certain user asked if it was because it's technically quite different from EVM chains. As expected, the exchange responded to the question, stating that their coin listing process is comprehensive. Being a crypto exchange, they build their infrastructure from scratch, which could be quite resource intensive and time consuming. Also, while many were excited about the arrival of ADA on BTC Markets, some users took the opportunity to criticize the exchange's existing coin offerings. One user was skeptical about why BTC Markets still had crap coins like Power Ledger, which has little to no liquidity outside of Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. The user's tweet read, "You need to delist a bunch of crap coins you still have, like Power Ledger. Does that even exist anymore? And you have no liquidity outside of Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum." Nonetheless, the arrival of Cardano ADA on the BTC Markets is a positive development for the cryptocurrency community, and it'll be interesting to see how it performs on the exchange in the coming days. This development seems to have had a significant impact on the ADA price. In fact, in the weekly chart, the coin has seen nearly 10% increase in value on the weekly chart. That's not all. The daily chart also shows promising sign with 1.85% increase. However, with regulations running wild in the crypto markets and exchanges, is Cardano's addition to BTC Markets worth celebrating? No one knows what could happen, and the SEC has proven that fact to an extent. Well, according to Caroline Bowler of BTC Markets, it's time for regulators around the world to come to the table with the industry and put together a proportionate and appropriate regulatory response. Notably, Binance is the latest crypto exchange to get in hot water with regulators. It is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange and is currently dealing with some major uncertainty after getting hit with a lawsuit from the U.S. Commodities Future Trading Commission. It is the latest example of the heightened federal scrutiny the industry has been under following a wave of scandals in the last few years. The lawsuit alleged that Binance intentionally evaded U.S. laws, including failing to register in the country and allowing Americans to trade crypto derivatives, which is barred for retail investors. The Binance CEO, Changpeng Zhao, or CZ for short, stepped forward and called the lawsuit an incomplete recitation of facts in response. Since then, investors who use the platform have pulled out $1.6 billion, a significant uptick in withdrawals, even though experts note that Binance's reserves may be large enough to withstand such a hit. But will things continue to get worse? Here comes the fears. The lawsuit could have bigger impacts on Binance business long term, according to a report from CNN's Alison Morrow. If the CFTC suit is successful, it could result in hundreds of millions in fines and a possible ban on Binance's ability to register as a derivatives trader in the US down the road. See how much damage can be done to cryptocurrencies due to an exchange's trouble. The cryptocurrency industry has recently faced several significant challenges, beginning with the Terra Luna meltdown, followed by FTX, and now Binance. Concerns regarding Binance compliance and regulatory practices have been raised for some time, and the evidence brought forth by the CFTC is quite damning, says MIT Crypto Economics Lab founder Christian Catalini. For those who may not know Binance well, it's one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the business, and it handled approximately $23 trillion in trades in 2022. Previously, Binance also reportedly considered bailing out cryptocurrency exchange FTX when it declared bankruptcy amid Sam Bankman-Fried's legal troubles. Recent chaos with companies like FTX has likely emboldened regulators, says Duke University finance professor Campbell Harvey. Given these meltdowns and bankruptcies, it made it a lot easier for regulators to pull the trigger, he noted. But according to experts, such regulatory actions are unlikely to harm the general crypto market. For instance, the price of Bitcoin remains stable amid the Binance news. And although Binance has seen large withdrawals, they appear to have reserves to deal with it and aren't facing a bank run comparable to that of Silicon Valley Bank. Experts also warn that US officials need to find a balance between regulators that are too strict, which could have the effect of driving companies outside of the US and providing a comprehensive framework for crypto to operate under that protects its customers. If regulators push too hard, they would just leave. My personal opinion is that it would be a bad thing because then the US doesn't have a chair at the table, says William Johnson, a finance professor at the University of Massachusetts Lowell. For now, Cardano's listing on BTC Markets imposes no impending danger, so it's worth considering a big win. Moreover, Cardano has been listed on various exchanges, but most times a price trigger was not noted, so could one be noted this time? When Cardano was listed on Bitcoin in 2021, the founder Charles Hoskinson noted that he had been waiting for this moment for a very long time in a celebratory tweet. He appreciated the community and all the support of the launch and even quoted a famous haiku from Japanese author Matsuo Basho, the most famous poet in the Japanese Edo period. The haiku is popular among many for bringing claims into a very hectic life. ADA launching in Japan in 10 minutes. I've waited a very long time for this day. Congratulations and thanks to the community there, he said. Tokyo-based Bitcoin was the first Japanese exchange to list Cardano. Reportedly, Japanese regulators have very strict rules that cryptocurrencies need to abide by before getting listed on their exchange, and for this reason, only a small number of crypto assets are listed in the country. After the announcement, Charles Hoskinson gave a brief update on the developments in the Cardano network via a live stream. Everything is on schedule, things are looking good, he said. And last year, the popular online brokerage Robinhood Markets listed Cardano. Was it a big deal? Well, joining Robinhood was a big deal for any cryptocurrency because the platform is very picky about which cryptocurrencies are listed. Being added to Robinhood has not been an overwhelming catalyst for most cryptocurrencies though. Past cryptos added to the platform like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash did not actually experience a huge price jump when they were included. On the other hand, the meme token Dogecoin jumped by nearly 39% after being added to the platform, but the listing was not much help to Cardano. Moving forward, developments continue in the Cardano ecosystem as ADA BTC, a protocol that seeks to bring on-chain wrapped BTC to Cardano and Ergo, announced the integration of the Lace wallet, which was said to be available starting from the initial launch of the Cardano public testnet on April 20th. Lace 1.0, IOG's light wallet platform, went live on the mainnet April 11, 2023. Lace features a dApp connector, the latest CIP30 implementation, with which users can connect Lace to Cardano dApps and access Web3 services. IOG also disclosed in its most recent weekly report that work continues on Lace's desktop development. Indigo, a Cardano-based creator of iAssets and stablecoins, iUSD, has also announced that it is now open source. And then Clay Nation, one of Cardano's top NFT projects, is marking its second anniversary of introducing Clay animation to Cardano. The project launched 2 years ago with Charlie Berkson, the first Claymate character based on Charles Hoskinson. Cardano investors are really in for a good time, even though the future of crypto remains uncertain. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.